I've always been curious about the difference between school and college, but coming to JGU has given me a different perspective. The technique and the class layout of here in JGU is very different from school. JGU has inspired me a lot. There's an Office of Career Services, which is known as OCS, has given us a lot of opportunities. During my first semester break, I did 3 internships with 3 different companies and well-renowned companies, and which has given me a lot of experience. During the first year and the first semester, it's really hard to get an internship anywhere else. But JGU has given me a lot of opportunities where I can learn with the professional people around me. I'm glad that I became a part of JSBF and I get to engage with a lot of mindful people and a lot of people around me who can guide me towards my goal, and they can help me achieve my goal in a very precise and well-mannered way. During this summer break, we have got the opportunity for the Wharton School, which is one of the best business school in the world, and this is like a great opportunity which none other university could have offered us.